Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Kia Rio handbrake. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Gather your tools, including a wrench, screwdriver, and reliable jack stands. Then, carefully lift the rear of your Kia Rio using a jack and secure it firmly with the jack stands before proceeding. With the vehicle safely supported, remove the rear wheels to get a clear view of the brake drums. Next, you'll need to locate a small rubber plug on the back of each brake drum. These plugs cover the access point for the adjustment mechanism. Gently remove these rubber plugs to expose the star wheel adjuster inside the drum. Now, insert a brake spoon or a flathead screwdriver through the plug hole. You'll use this tool to turn the star wheel adjuster. Turn the star wheel until you feel the brake shoes lightly contact the inside of the drum. It's crucial to adjust both sides evenly to ensure balanced braking and proper handbrake function. After adjusting, reinstall the wheels and carefully lower your Kia Rio back to the ground. Now, test the handbrake engagement. It should typically engage firmly within 3 to 5 clicks. If it feels too loose or too tight, you may need to fine-tune the adjustment. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.